Good morning, everybody. It's the long weekend and we are sleeping in, hanging out. Govan all wrapped up their shoot with us yesterday and we've decided to kind of stick around in the area and just enjoy. My best buddy is fast asleep behind me. Can't get him out of bed. Although I did offer him avocado toast for breakfast and he went, So that's what I'm gonna do. I've got tea on, avocado toast, and it's gonna be a beautiful day.
Blurbs with Bec?
What does that mean?
You've never heard of the series Blurbs with Bec?
I can't see your head. Are you alive? Hey, money.
Blurbs with Bec?
Yeah, maybe today will be Eamon will be present, but it'll be a Bec vlog.
Eamon will shut up the whole time.
Eamon will be here, but I'll be in control. That sounds fun. Okay, let's make tea.
No, we're probably hanging out here, Mom. Well, in and around the area, we might find a beach or something. I'm not sure.
You're ruining my shot. Eamon's just on the phone with his mom on our Saturday together. Pretty classic, separation anxiety.
Another 2 weeks.
Here is his breakfast. Yep, no problem, babe. Hey, don't worry about it. You just keep chatting with your mom.
That sounds good. I'll let you know. Love you too. Really pushing for me to get a haircut. She said Cameron sent him a really cute card of him before he got the barber. And then on the inside of the card it was him with his haircut.
Eamon's mom, all she ever asks for Christmas, Mother's Day, she literally puts it on her Christmas list, is for Eamon to get his haircut.
Balls.
Wow, what's with the chewing this morning?
Just when I was starting to have a good
As you guys know, we've been daily vlogging. The DV grind is real. Last night we were like, oh my goodness, how are we gonna upload this video? We were on the beach and we drove into town. We went to the Best Western, went into their parking lot. I don't even know how you jimmied yourself into this, but Eamon went in, politely asked if we could use their Wi-Fi and they said yes, and it was bueno. Show them a sneak peek at the beautiful van life scene from last night. Oh yeah, it's rainy, it's dreary, and we're parked up in the hotel parking lot.
It's whenever inclement weather exists, there's strict policy and guidelines into who can wear their proper footwear throughout the entire home.
Yeah, so whenever any weather, let's just do that. You can't wear your footwear inside ever. I know that. You never listened to that.
Well, who just did it?
I just did it and you caught me, but jeez.
What to do in Owen Sound when there's inclement weather?
We're 6 minutes away. Grab some change in case I find anything cute. Let's do this. Artistic creations, bread.
Thank you.
Thanks. So we wrapped up the indoor. A lot of honey, a lot of bread,
jewelry,
crafts,
used books,
meat,
butter,
potatoes. Eamon's found his favorite booth. He's a sucker for a good olive oil. And you've got me on the good olive oil train too.
fresh tomato.
Tomatoes. Successful mission, you guys. You've got olive oil.
Can always count on us getting food at a farmer's market.
And we've got a nice sourdough bread, so we're gonna have toasted tomato sandwiches. Already thinking about lunch. We just had breakfast. Okay.
Let's explore the Sound of Owen.
Good sir, can I ask what your hope is to find today, or?
Just really looking for a nice outing with my best buddy. Just trying to have a nice morning and, you know, that sort of thing. It's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.
That's true. I don't normally drink coffee, but when I do, I get excited. Even from the sniffer.
Follow me too.
Follow me too, Thrifty. Eamon just dragged me into this. What do you call these places? A hop shop? Thrift? It's not a thrift store. Pawn shop. And here he is, just in the tool section. It's pretty classic. The mission was not that successful. Although we do have a new idea for the van. You guys see all along here?
Oh, it's way longer than I thought it was.
Yeah, and it's way thinner than I thought it was.
Maybe
Good thing
I'll
we
have
didn't
to
buy
double it.
anything. Okay, so all of this area drives me nuts. I think it's so ugly because it is. And we have these hanging hooks. So we thought we'd make a little barnwood piece and then have really funky, cool hooks going along. I think that'll be a really cute addition to the van.
We're also looking for like, I'm gonna build a custom install to store our computer and phones and stuff because that drives us nuts.
Yeah.
They're always on the bed. So
Right
we can put them
here.
up somewhere.
We kind of looked at this really old vintage magazine rack. We thought we could hang that up there and then put the computer in and our phones in while they're charging, because right now when everything charges, even overnight, it's like right here. So that's not very fun. I have a proposal now that we have lunch set. I'm thinking we drive back to the Holiday Inn. We get comfy and cozy. I light a candle.
I know what's happening here.
What? What's happening?
We stream an FB or
Yes!
something like that.
What do you think? We'd never do that kind of thing. Just
Why
chill
not?
out.
There's no rush to go back to the beach.
Oh, I love that idea.
Down.
You're in?
Sounds like an epic vlog for these guys.
Oh, come on. It's just a lazy day. I'm excited. Eamon, I never get lazy days because he's way too hyperactive and loves a project. So the project today is to relax. 2 hummuses. How about an oat milk? Your case of LaCroix because Eamon's insane.
You've reached Aubrey. I'm sorry I can't continue my phone right now.
Birthday, dear Aubrey. Happy birthday. Love you. Call us. Bye.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
And do you want that triangle cut or straight cut?
Straight cut, please.
Just finished up a depressing movie.
The most depressing. You're so intense with your movie selections, buddy. We watched, what was it called? The Gift? Oh! Brutal! Not what I had in mind for my cozy day in. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I wanted to watch like something light and fun.
How's that toasted tomato sandwich?
And that was really good.
Hey Ken, what's up? I'm the guy that you helped out last night. The internet? Are you Ken? Oh, wrong guy. Yeah, you know Ken at the front desk? Your girl hasn't been on the boosted once. And I keep saying, baby, try out the boosted. She might love it more than me. So, she's gonna try out the boosted. You ready for your skateboard lesson?
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous.
Why?
Because you don't have much patience with me when you try to teach me new things.
No,
Like
that's not
the time you
fair.
told me you were going to teach me how to skateboard, and I spent all day on the bunny hop
Snowboard.
by myself. Oh yeah, sorry, snowboard. And all the kids were like, "Go, Becca, go!" And Buddy's like whipping down the hill, like, "Hey, buddy."
Toes! Toes! On your
your
toes! Okay, I'm gonna set you guys right there. You can watch our lesson. You're ripping it, babe.
Oh, that's powerful. Too much pressure with the video camera. Safe to say we got a new skater in town. Oh, cheers, little booch. Gonna rip a couple more laps, and we'll call it a day here. This afternoon in Owen Sound, we ran into some lovely people who let us know that Sauble Beach is the only beach in Ontario, at least, where you can actually drive onto the beach with your car.
That's what they said.
That's what they said. So obviously, we've come down in Trin to Sauble Beach to see if this is true.
We will find out.
What? That's so freaking cool. Oh, look at this guy's coming from the beach.
That is cool.
Holy smokes, we've got to go on the beach.
We're on the beach right now.
This is Trinity. This is the beach. Frickin' stoked. Buddy's gonna put the drone in the air, is that right? I guess I'll be the driver and you'll be the pilot.
Initiate cool Sauble Beach mystery drone footage.
Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel.
Mr. Zumi, you got a little wet.
I'm making dinner at the beach. My best buddy is farting like a peach. I'm making, it's actually a recipe that my mom uses. It's a tortellini soup with Italian sausage and spinach.
Yum.
Yum. We change a lot of things. We obviously don't do tortellini or the Parmesan or the sausage, but it's gonna be really good.
Guys, this beautiful rainy afternoon has turned for the worse. We've forgotten the most important ingredient in this soup. Soup itself.
The broth. Should we go back into town?
What do you and my brothers have in common, buddy?
We make a real mess in the kitchen. I just looked down and was like, oh my god, I made a mess.
It's just a segue.
Come on.
Say by your songs I'm unimpressed, hey. But I love to see a black man get paid.
Okay, the soup is stewing. I'm gonna simmer this for about 20-30 minutes. This song reminds me of Christian and Aubrey. Miss you guys!
We are fogging up the van. We got my favorite song on. We got a pot full of hot soup.
Look how good that looks.
Ready to have a nice romantic meal?
Yes! Oh my god. I had snot on my face. You gotta tell me these things before I turn the camera on myself. Delish.
You guys should push her to do a freestyle Friday on this.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think we'll just have to end up calling it Van Lifer's Paradise because I think we found it here in Ontario.
Whoa.
What do you reckon?
Whoa.
Whoa. Sometimes paradise is just taking a step back too and having a day like we had. Blurbs with Bec, I get to say whatever I want. Anything you want to add?
I'm just gonna sit here and smile.
Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That way you know, well, you gotta hit the bell and then you'll know when we post. We're posting daily, so we will see you tomorrow. I'm done. Nene. On tomorrow's episode.
You hear that, Dad?
What's that?
On tomorrow's episode.
What is?
Gotta pull and push.
A guy came by yesterday and I sold him the van.
Or you could order some chai online. You want to say goodbye to the vlog? See you at Amanda's. And these floors are so buttered right on. Holy smokes. Hey, you're not very camera shy.